Front lawn is all white with ice. My mailbox has got some icicles hanging off of it. Trying to hold the camera steady, but man, I am cold. There's the ice all over this tree. It's quite beautiful, actually. Looks like some kind of Christmas decoration. And there's not a car on the road. Nobody is driving anywhere. Pretty much the whole town is shut down. All the schools are closed. And the roads are a little slick, but I have not noticed anything dangerous when I was out earlier. Just a spot here and there that was a little slick where it's not commonly traveled. So of course that would be a little more slippery than anywhere else. Got some icicles up here. Not a whole lot. A little bit. See?